The biggest trick to anti-aging, longevity, and to living longer and to living a more productive life well into your old age is actually a biological hack called hormesis. What does hormesis mean? Hormesis actually means putting your body under adversity. जब आप अपने शरीर को तकलीफ पहुंचाते हैं, जब आप एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, जैसे कि हाई इंटेंसिटी इंटरवल ट्रेनिंग या इस तरह की बहुत हाई इंटेंसिटी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, then your body starts to become worried. The body starts to behave as if कि कहीं मैं मर तो नहीं जाऊंगा? Will I be dying or will I have a problem because of this? It is in those conditions of adversity, when you're taking a very cold bath, when you're going into intermittent fasting, that the body actually rejuvenates itself. There are genes called sirtuins which are there in the body. और ये genes activate हो जाते हैं जब भी आप body को stress देते हैं. So अपनी body को जब आप stress देते हैं because of hormesis and the activation of genes called sirtuins, your body actually starts releasing anti-aging things. So it's like a controlled injury to your body, which is being healed by your body's systems, which in turn promotes longevity and anti-aging. That's the cheapest anti-aging drug you can find.